Introduction to Automated Meeting Notes Sharing.
Tired of copying Zoom meeting notes manually into Notion? Automation platforms make it simple to keep your notes organized without the hassle. In this tutorial, you'll discover how to connect Notion and Zoom so your meeting summaries are sent straight to your workspace automatically, streamlining your workflow and saving valuable time.
Choosing the right automation tool.
Several tools can link Zoom and Notion, but the most popular are Zapier and Make, formerly known as Integromat. Both platforms allow you to create automated workflows called Zaps or scenarios, which move your meeting notes from Zoom to Notion without manual intervention. Choosing one depends on your personal preference and required features.
Setting up your Zoom and Notion connections.
First, sign up or log in to your chosen automation platform. Connect your Zoom and Notion accounts by following prompts to grant access. These platforms keep your accounts secure while letting them talk to each other. Once connected, you can pull meeting details from Zoom and send them directly to specific pages or databases in Notion.
Building your first automated workflow.
Start by creating a new workflow. Set Zoom as the trigger, such as when a meeting ends or a recording is available. Next, define the action in Notion. For example, creating a new page or database entry with the meeting details. Map the relevant fields, like date, attendees, and summary, so they appear where you want them in Notion.
Testing and using your integration.
Test your workflow using a recent Zoom meeting to ensure everything syncs correctly. Once confirmed, your integration will work automatically in the background. Anytime you finish a Zoom meeting, notes or recordings will appear in the designated Notion workspace, keeping your team updated and your documentation seamless.
Benefits and best practices.
The previous user of the essence that remains in your Notion sections is to always update your Notion workspace with clear naming conventions and enjoy a simpler, smoother information workflow.